Hey folks, my name is Little Gelato and I'm a bartender and streamer. Out today is Savannah Soar, who usually streams alongside of me, but she'll be with me later for the stream. This video will be a little bit wonky because we aren't used to making YouTube videos. But we started a segment on our channel called Cocktail Highlights where I teach Savannah Soar how to make drinks. And some of you guys, our live viewers, suggested we cut this up and put this for a YouTube video so people who couldn't join us live could also catch the action. This video is super late, so I apologize for the delay, and I'll have another video up ASAP. I'll be posting the ingredients for the next week's drink at the end of this video, as well as in our Discord. You can always find them there under the Drink of the Week section. This is also a special week because our good friend, the Circus man, had a birthday this week, and so we made the Circus Sling in his honor. But enough with the intro, let's get on with the video. Okay. So, a few things we need today. We're gonna need some gin, we're gonna need some lemon juice, simple syrup, sweet vermouth, Angostura bitters, and then some garnishes, either blood orange, lemon, cherry, what have you, and blood orange soda water as well, or just plain soda water if you don't have that. Okay. I'm gonna get better at posting all the ingredients ahead of time so you guys can prepare, so you guys can also join us, because I heard that's what some of you would like to do. I think that'd be a really fun idea for everybody to kind of join in.
Yeah.
So,
yeah. Unfortunately,
sorry about that. We'll work on it.
Not this time, and also a little bit of the birthday boy's fault because he only warned us last night.
Yeah, I didn't have a drink ready, so I'm not gonna put it all on him.
Oh,
but yeah, it's always a little bit his fault.
It's something I have. I'm using it.
It's always a little bit his fault.
I'm using it. All right, so this is mine, and you were with that.
Yep.
Perfect. I like this. Feels way more professional.
If you want to say it feels professional, you can. I personally don't like them, but that's okay. I've used those in professional environments. They're not amazing for making a ton of drinks at once, but great for making a single drink. So
exactly.
Good to go.
It's perfect for what I'm doing.
Exactly. First thing we're gonna need is a little bit of ice. So I'm gonna just grab that really quick.
2 cubes. 4 cubes.
Put about 4 cubes in there. Doesn't need much, just a little shaking. All right, guys. So we're gonna start with juicing a lemon. We'll cut the lemon. We'll juice the lemon. I've got this for juicing it. It's really big. It's the one I've got.
Oh my God, we definitely have smaller, but you know what? It's fine. So, oh fuck. I got it. Look at this.
We need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon for each drink, so we're gonna need 1.5 ounces total. That's roughly a whole lemon. We'll see how it comes out with this lemon. I might need to grab another one. This one is a little bit small.
Seems very juicy though. Look at this.
It does seem like a very juicy lemon.
Juice.
Actually, I don't know where that went, but I think that's somewhere over. Yeah, it hit your headphones.
Oops.
Lemony headphones, nice.
It is the birthday guy's fault.
That's okay though, it's okay. Cause you'll also get forgiven on this day. And that's gonna be definitely enough for that.
Yeah?
Perfect.
Alright.
Yes. So, let's start out with the gin though.
I want the black one, it's way better.
Sure, fine. So we're gonna need 1.5 ounces of gin in this one.
So this is 1 ounce, the whole thing.
The whole thing's
Then 1.5, okay.
Yeah.
I got it.
So you'll notice in here there's also little marks on that.
Yeah.
So 3/4 on that. But you also have this side.
That's double.
The total is 2. Notice the line, 1.5 ounces.
Oh, it is. That's great. Okay. Of this?
Gin.
Oh, of that. Okay. Gin. What is this?
This is Gordon's gin. It lives in my freezer because it should be as cold as you can get it. I've got a tequila, a gin, and a vodka in the freezer all the time.
I'm excited to play
All
Among
white.
Us today.
I'm very excited to play Among Us today. I think it's going to be great.
1.5 is that mark? Can I trust it?
Yes, you can trust it. You can trust it more than you can trust this one because this one has 0 marks. This one's for a little bit more of a tricky situation.
Okay.
Okay, now, like I said before, so usually you do the booze, but we're gonna skip the vermouth because the vermouth is gonna chill out this time. This specific drink I'm making, it has a special purpose for it. So now, 3 dashes of bitters. You know.
3 dashes.
1, 2, 3. What?
This is gonna be 10 dashes of.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. It's 3 dashes.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Cover that one. Okay. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon.
This throwing thing on a glass seems fun, huh? You used all the.
No, it's exactly how much you needed. A little more. So this lemon actually ended up being a little bit extra.
Oh, I can have on my drink a little bit extra.
That's fine. So now we are going to need the. Do you want a little bit extra? Go ahead, use it.
No, it's fine.
It's gonna be a little bit off.
No, yeah, I wanna have the drink as it's supposed to.
Exactly. So now
I like
3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, the same as the lemon juice, same amount.
I
This
didn't
one's super
see it
easy. It's
because
gonna be
you.
crushed in no time.
What did you do with this? Because I didn't.
3/4 of an ounce. Nice, nice.
I'm excited for the shaking part. It's my favorite part.
This one will be a little easier if you do shake too.
Do you know the birthday guy? Do you think he would enjoy this?
I think you'd enjoy this, yeah. I think it's a nice drink that you'd like. What do you think? What do you think? You
There's
feeling
no
it?
eggs, no raw eggs this time.
No eggs?
Nothing wrong with lemons,
No
limes,
problem with
whatever.
that. No, no.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
So all the
maybe
ingredients
you-
other than the vermouth are in it. Usually you throw vermouth in the sling and you'd shake it before you do everything else. But in this case, we're gonna shake it now instead of later. We're gonna go ahead and do that really quick. I'm gonna quickly mute it because I don't want to be crazy loud. Savannah said it's cool, so we're gonna let it ride. We'll see.
Cool
Plug
to
your ears,
just
it might
shake
kill you
this
in a
thing
second.
like this? I don't know how to do it. Is that it?
That's it. You don't need to shake it till it's life's
Ow.
out of it. Yeah, till the glass is cold. Or till the tin is cold. Okay,
Got it.
I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff really fast because I need to get that going. Got the ice bucket, because we're gonna need some special ice.
Our ice cream maker back. That's more what it is.
But it's also an ice bucket. So we've got our 2 nice tall glasses here. We're gonna go ahead and put some square ice cubes in those if you want to stack those up. Do a little bit of work. And the other cuidado, make sure that one's not broken.
I thought I broke the glass.
You might have chipped it. No.
No, it's just.
I mean, these are thin glasses, so I don't know. I'm taking a few special cubes.
Savannah, make sure you stop. You managed to break your glass with the ice. That's okay. That should be enough, right? It's 4 glass and 4 ice cubes. Seems perfect to me.
I would say 4 is pretty good. Usually I would do 5 with this one, but the reason I would do 4 is because we're gonna put some crushed ice on top.
All right. Oh, I'm gonna smash the
Okay,
ice too.
so now we're going to strain it
Oh.
into the glass.
This,
It's a nice, pretty rose color.
this is finally. I think I'm gonna fuck
Be
this
the
up.
Angostura bitters. There you go.
Why I don't have the same amount?
You do.
Okay.
Shaking it a little bit more will get you a little bit more ice, definitely. So we'll just put everything aside a little bit. Okay. Do you want to cut this into very thin slices? You want to cut 2 very thin slices out of that?
Sure. One
Don't have to.
easy.
Do you want to do that or do you want to do the smashing?
Both. I mean, you can smash a little bit, but ow. Oh, look at that. Let's just take this.
Of course. Feeling it already, huh? Go ahead and start smashing. We're gonna break some ice up. Go ahead. Yeah, give it to it.
No, this is wrong.
Sounds like shaking dice. Yeah, no, it's right. Break the ice. Go ahead. Might be loud. Okay,
Do this.
we have time here.
I'm gonna cut the.
Done. We need it quick. Perfect. Ooh, those are looking amazing right now. I actually did hurt myself when I did that because I punched the table. It's okay. Ooh, ooh, look how thin and sexy that slice is. Okay, so
this, bitches, like this.
Now we need soda water.
Beautiful. Then I just top it.
So you want to fill it most of the top because then we're gonna put some crushed ice in it after. Carlito. $20 that she hits her hand. Luckily she didn't hit her hand because I stopped her and I said I was gonna take it over here.
I know what I'm doing.
Oh
Okay?
yeah.
I always know what I'm doing.
So now we're gonna throw some crushed ice in it. I want to put this in at the end because it does help it not kind of mess up the look of everything, and the crushed ice sits on top.
Oh, I think I needed. Do I need to drop it? No.
No. Yeah, I guess a little bit on yours. You're right. Just a little bit on yours.
I'm a perfectionist. I see that.
Okay. Because you need a little room.
I need a little bit of room. I have room.
So now, last thing we need is sweet vermouth.
Oh my God! There's still shit to go in it. Oh damn!
Knock yourself over.
All right. Here. How much is that?
So this is gonna be a ½ ounce. ½ ounce. And we're just gonna go ahead and float it on top here.
Perfect, man. Oh.
There you go. So we'll take our toothpick, jam in one side. We'll take our cherry. If I can grab it. There you go.
Okay, it doesn't. Oh, fit.
There you go.
Boom.
And that's it.
Can't believe it. I'm excited to try because it looks good. It does.
Wow,
good.
that does look good. That's a
It
little
doesn't.
straw. If I can get it in without messing it up. Bloop. Nice. All right, guys. Take a look at that. There we go.
Look at this. The garnish is fantastic.
Yeah. Fun.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, Circus Man, the Circus Sling. Brought to you for today because it is his birthday. Happy birthday, my man.
Happy birthday. I hope you have an excellent day.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh. This
Oh.
is so much better than I thought it would be, I'm gonna admit. Oh, I have to do that.
Oh, wow. It is
It's really tasty.
very
oh my
tasty.
God, it's so good.
Super easy to drink, like I
It's so
said,
good.
and it will get you there.
I'll be drunk playing Among Us, and this is why. This is good.
Good thing for you guys, because now you're going to actually have a little bit of an edge on her, because she'll be a little too drunk to lie. We'll see how it goes. It's going to be good. Ooh.
You don't get me.
Ooh, wow. This really
Sober.
came out good. So, I'm going to just roll this out of the way real quick. We're going to go ahead and set everything back up, and we'll be getting going. We're going to see how long this takes us to get together. Maybe we'll drop a couple Fall Guys while we're waiting for everybody to kind of jump in here.
More than I like number 10.
It's okay. I'm enjoying my drink.